What if I told you that hitting $1 million net worth won't make you feel financially secure? For millions of Americans, that's the biggest money secret nobody talks about. Stay with me, because what happens after your first million may completely change the way you build wealth forever. Reaching a $1 million net worth does not automatically make you feel financially secure. For years, most Americans are told the same story. Reach a $1 million net worth and you'll finally feel financially secure. It sounds simple. Work hard, invest consistently, watch your money grow. Then one day, your investment accounts reach $1 million and life is supposed to feel different. But for many people, that's not what actually happens. The morning after hitting that milestone, your daily routine usually looks exactly the same. You still wake up early, you still answer emails, you still pay bills, you still worry about inflation, taxes, healthcare costs, and retirement. The number changed, your everyday life didn't. This surprises many Americans because they expect wealth to create an instant feeling of safety. Instead, many discover something unexpected. As their net worth grows, their expectations grow too. A person who once believed $1 million would be enough may later believe they need $2 million or even more before they can truly relax. This is a common psychological pattern. Financial goals often move further away as we get closer to them. That doesn't mean building wealth isn't worth it. It absolutely is. But financial security is not created by one number alone. Real confidence comes from having a solid financial plan, manageable expenses, reliable investments, and the ability to handle unexpected situations without panic. Your net worth is an important tool. It is not your emotional finish line. Many people spend years chasing a number without preparing for what happens after they reach it. That's one of the biggest millionaire secrets almost nobody talks about. Now, let's talk about what actually works. The goal is not just to reach a $1 million net worth. The goal is to build a financial life that still feels stable during both good markets and bad markets. The first step is to stop measuring success by one number. Instead, ask yourself better questions. Can I cover 6 to 12 months of living expenses if I lose my job? Am I investing consistently every month, even when the market is down? Will my retirement income support the lifestyle I actually want? These questions tell you much more about your financial health than your net worth alone. Next, build a system instead of relying on motivation. Every payday, automate your investing before you have the chance to spend the money. For many Americans, that means consistently contributing to workplace retirement plans, retirement accounts, and low-cost diversified index funds over the long term. Consistency beats perfect timing. Another important habit is to separate your emotions from market movements. When the stock market falls, many investors panic because they focus on today's balance instead of their long-term plan. Remember this: market declines are temporary. Selling because of fear can turn a temporary loss into a permanent one. That's why successful investors create a plan before emotions take over. They decide in advance how much they will invest each month, how they will diversify their portfolio, when they will rebalance their investments, when they will ignore short-term market noise. They don't make major financial decisions based on headlines. Finally, understand that financial confidence comes from preparation, not prediction. No one can accurately predict the next recession, interest rate change, or stock market correction, but you can prepare for them. Maintain an emergency fund. Avoid unnecessary high-interest debt. Invest consistently. Review your financial plan at least once a year. These habits won't make exciting headlines, but over time, they help build something far more valuable than $1 million balance. They build lasting financial peace of mind. The biggest secret isn't reaching $1 million. It's creating a financial system that keeps working long after you get there. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: don't chase a number, build a financial system. Starting today, take these simple steps. First, calculate your current net worth. Don't judge the number, just know where you stand today. Every successful financial plan starts with knowing your starting point. Next, set up automatic investing. If you're paid every 2 weeks or once a month, schedule an automatic contribution the same day your paycheck arrives. Even a small amount invested consistently can grow significantly over time. Then, review your monthly spending. Ask yourself one simple question. Is this expense helping my future or only making today more expensive? If you find unnecessary recurring expenses, redirect that money toward your long-term investments instead. Another important step is to stop comparing yourself to other people online. Many people share luxury cars, expensive homes, and vacations. Very few show their debt, financial stress, or the years of disciplined saving behind their success. Your financial journey is unique. Stay focused on your own progress. Finally, make it a habit to review your financial plan instead of checking your investment balance every day. The market will rise. The market will fall. That's normal. Your job is not to predict every move. Your job is to stay consistent. At the end of the day, a $1 million net worth is a milestone, not the finish line. Real wealth is having choices. Real wealth is sleeping well at night. Real wealth is knowing that an unexpected expense won't destroy your future. And real financial freedom comes from consistent investing, disciplined spending, patience, and smart decision-making over many years, not from reaching one magic number. Remember this, your greatest financial asset isn't your portfolio, it's the habits that built it. Final takeaway? Build habits, not hype. Protect your peace, not your ego. And let your money work quietly while you focus on living a meaningful life.